watching the station covering all of the DMV. DC News Now continues.
Well, we knew this week was going to be warm out there, but what a difference a week makes from last week when we saw a high temperature into the upper 20s, and then yesterday we saw high temperatures into the upper 60s. And today we'll likely see those high temperatures continuing to be into those mid to upper 60s, although we're going to be tracking more clouds and that threat for a few rain showers, which will likely be on and off through the morning and into the early afternoon. But we're already starting off with temperatures on the warmer side out there this morning, 40s and 50s across the map, even just shy of 60 down towards Lexington Park at this hour. We're lower 50s in DC, seeing those low to mid 40s the farther north you go. So those are some of the slightly cooler areas right now, but a noticeable difference from yesterday morning. Some areas running at least 20 degrees warmer, and we're seeing that Manassas, Fredericksburg, Culpeper, Luray, and Lexington Park. At least in DC, we're at least 10 degrees warmer this morning compared to yesterday morning. Now we're watching as this system back out towards our north and west continues to slide its way in, starting to slowly see a few raindrops out there this morning, and more of that rainfall will continue to spread in over the course of the next couple of hours. So as we zoom on in, yeah, we could be dealing with a few of those light sprinkles for the eastern panhandle of West Virginia, even into parts of Frederick County, Maryland, and along parts of the I-81 corridor in Virginia over towards the Front Royal area. Otherwise, much of the rainfall is still just back out towards our west or even into westernmost parts of Maryland right now. We're watching out ahead of this cold front that those temperatures will rise. We're talking about those high temperatures into those middle 60s for much of the area again today, even though we're tracking the clouds and that rainfall. Now, this is a view of 11 o'clock this morning, still seeing much of that rain, especially for the eastern half of the viewing area, including DC and areas southward. That cold front will continue to move its way eastward, and still watching as some of that wet weather is still with us through at least the middle of the afternoon. I would say by about 5 p.m. that most areas will be dry by that point, aside from any lingering shower that's already starting to exit across parts of southern Maryland. Then farther off towards the north and west, out towards the mountains region, as that colder air surges in from behind that cold front, count that chance for some snow showers back out towards Garrett County and some of those higher elevations back over towards the mountains region. The rest of the area, though, we're just going to be noticing drier conditions, but also those temperatures will drop. We'll likely starting off with those temperatures into the mid to upper 30s tomorrow morning. So yeah, that'll be also a noticeable difference too. Then as we get towards tomorrow afternoon, we'll be breezy, and we'll see those high temperatures only into those 50s. So not quite as warm as the last several days, but this is at least closer to normal for this time of the year for the end of this week and for the final day of February. As we look ahead towards the weekend, we're watching as a disturbance off towards our north and west starts to dive in. That could bring us a stray shower on Saturday. Not everyone's going to be seeing that, but we're also going to be seeing those temperatures warming up again. So we go from the 50s on Friday to those low 60s on Saturday, and then that potent cold front slides through, and what a difference a day makes from Saturday to Sunday. Sunday, we're tracking the wind, and not only that, we're also tracking a cool down. We go from those low 60s Saturday to lower 40s on Sunday, and then we start off that next work week into those middle 40s Monday, and then we see that gradual warming trend. Middle 50s by Tuesday. We're talking low 60s Wednesday, but with more scattered showers. Shanika's back. Another check of the